Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Sulaiman. I go to SMA Negeri 1 Tarakan, grade 12 in Social Study 3. I want to do English experiment, namely question and answer. Here I want to answer some question from friends. So, the subject that I don't like is mathematics because the teacher profits boring learning methods, like the teacher is too serious in explaining the learning material. This can make me bored and bored with the learning method. While the subject I enjoy doing are subject physical education. Physical education remains my favorite subject. I really like the physical education subject not to be healthy. Or you can, and to my knowledge, I like the Penjaskes subject because it means we will have time to play for an hour of lesson. Physical education is also a subject that really learn about theory. Unlike other subject, we have to sit in class. Camping physical education material is more practical. Sport teachers are also usually more fun. They like to joke. There is no person at all felt by the student. Therefore, 3 is no reason not like the physical education subject. So, the most memorable activity in my opinion is the hiking activity. This activity is an annual activity at my school, which is usually held on the 27th of April. In my opinion, this activity is very exciting, trains the cohesiveness of class member and brings student close to nature. So, there are two extracurricular activity that appreciate in, namely volleyball extracurricular activity. So I really like to volleyball because I think volley is very activity and very enjoyable sport because this sport is more about training physical to stay healthy and fit. The reason I was interested in entering Tarakan One State Senior High School was because the school was an excellent school in the city of Tarakan, and the distance from the school to my place of residence was not too far. Okay. My favorite teacher at school is Pak Purwadi sih. A teacher was teach Islamic religious subject with a really like because always teach about responsibility and discipline. What I like most when study with this father, he always tell us to competition in seeking knowledge. For example, when there is a text, this father always give a sport full. Pak Purwadi was my class teacher at the time of the 11th grade. Pak Purwadi, the type of teacher who was disciplined, honest, and responsibly. While studying, Pak Purwadi always said that we should not be ashamed offering because in learning there is something normal about right or wrong. This is my favorite teacher. The place that I like or impress me the most is on the side start of the coffee where I hang out with my friend during breaks, exchange jokes and laughs. The mischief I ever did in school was never skipping subject. When my friend invited me to go eat the cafeteria and walked around the school from the first floor the top floor. My favorite food at school is chicken soup. I really like this food because it is delicious and delicious. My favorite drink at school is ultra milk or milk. I really like the drink. Yes, I was very stuffed while studying at SMA Negeri 1 Tarakan because I really feel comfortable and the teacher are friendly and keen and the school faculties are very awkward so that it may make feel station and confirm while studying at SMA Negeri 1 Tarakan. The presentation that have ever actively was when we create a futsal group for class meeting preparation where the school held a futsal competition between class at school from 10th grade to 12th grade. My class was were the top score and entered into the top 4. That the activity is ever good. That several question and answer session that I read, list and more. Please forgive me. I thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.